Hi everyone, LT Snake Plissken here, back with another Elk Finance video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get ELK on the Binance Smart Chain and XDAI, two of the new chains we launched on a week or so ago. Alright, but before I get started, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Okay, let's get started. The first method I'm going to show you is using ramp. Ramp you can pay with credit or debit or whatever, and you can send it right to your MetaMask, right to the appropriate network. So on the bottom one here, we could click, BNB on the Binance Smart Chain, which is exactly what you want, and you can buy it right through here. I'm not going to walk you through buying; it's pretty self-explanatory. Just remember to paste your MetaMask address here in when you go to purchase. So you can also then scroll down and you'll see XDAI here as well. And you can select this and buy the stablecoin XDAI, which is, the other network that we launched on. XDAI is a stablecoin much like DAI, so it's equivocated with the US dollar. So you'll notice there is a little bit of a fee here, but it's kind of all included. What you put here is what you get. If you don't like the amount, then you can explore some other options. Now, once we get that, either of those or both of those, depending on how you want to play it, make sure again you put in your MetaMask address, send it there, and then we can get started with adding those chains. So my favorite website right now to add those chains is Chainlist.org. So we can go to chainlist.org and we can search Binance. Boom, comes up. I connect my wallet to the site. There it goes. I go add to MetaMask and I switch my network. Perfect. And then it's switched over to the Binance Smart Chain and it's added right here. If we want to look up XDAI, we can do that too. XDAI, it's the only one there. Add to MetaMask. And approve. Now, make sure the network name matches what you want. Make sure it's not a test net, because if it's a test net, you won't see your tokens because it's kind of a playground chain. So just make sure it is the one you want. So in this case, yes, approve, switch network, boom, we're on there. Now, if we sent through ramp, we could see our XDAI or our Binance BNB here, and that's the best way to purchase ELK. Is with the main coin of any chain, because that generally has the most liquidity. Now, let's say you can't use ramp. Now, what are some other options? Well, you can use something called AscendEx. It's an exchange, much like Binance, and you can withdraw both, I believe, BNB to the Binance Smart Chain or XDAI to the XDAI network. So you can purchase it on AscendEx and send it to your MetaMask. Otherwise, if you're just purchasing BNB to the Binance Smart Chain, go ahead and use Binance. But when you do, just make sure that you select the Binance Smart Chain and put in your MetaMask address correctly, and go through that approval and send it out, and it should be there shortly. So remember, that is BEP-20, BEP-20. That's the network. Or if you're withdrawing XDAI, then you're going to select the XDAI chain address. So, and that's, if you have a MetaMask, it's going to be the same address. So then you can go ahead and swap your BNB for some ELK and enjoy, if you choose. The other option is if you already have some ELK on AVAX and you already know how to get it there, or MATIC or Fantom or HECO, you can go ahead and use ElkNet, right? You can buy on one of these chains, whatever has maybe the better price at the time. You can head on over to ElkNet, and then you can send that ELK over to any one of the 6 chains we support. So right now I'm on Binance, and I can send to the 5 other chains. Same thing goes if I switch over to XDAI or Avalanche, Polygon, Fantom, Huobi, HECO, and we can send it over that way. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know, give me some feedback, and please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it, and we appreciate all you Elksters out there. Thanks for supporting us, and I'll check you guys soon. Have a good one.